Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Talk English. I'm Tom and I'm David. And today we're talking about something super simple but super useful. How to talk about your daily routine in natural English. Yes, we all have a routine, morning, afternoon, evening. And when you learn how to talk about it, conversations become so much easier. And don't worry, we keep the English easy. Short sentences, clear meanings, and lots of examples. Let's begin, my friend. Easy morning routines. Common morning actions. Let's start with the morning. Here are easy phrases. I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Good. Repeat after us. Both. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Nice. Very clear. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6:30. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat a banana and bread. Simple, real, everyday English. Part 2. Talk about work or school. Daily life questions. Now let's talk about the middle of the day, work or school. Here are some common sentences. I go to work at 9. I study in the afternoon. I take the bus to school. I have lunch at 1. I work on my computer. Let's practice a conversation, dialogue practice. So what do you do in the afternoon? I study English. It helps me improve. Nice. Do you study at home? Yes, I study at home with a cup of tea. Perfect example. Real life. Natural pace. Part 3. Evening and relaxing. Easy evening sentences. Evening time is simple to talk about too. I come home at 6. I cook dinner. I watch a movie. I relax on the sofa. I go to bed at 10. David, let's repeat. Both. I cook dinner. I watch a movie. I relax on the sofa. I go to bed at 10. Great job. Very natural. Real life dialogue. What do you do after dinner? I watch a show. Sometimes I read a book. Oh, nice. I usually call a friend. See? Simple actions make great conversations. Part 4. Connecting sentences. How to make your routine sound natural. Let's make your routine sound smooth and natural. Use first, then, after that, finally. Here's an example. First, I wake up. Then I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I go to work. Now your turn. Say your own routine with these words. Pause for learners. Nice. Good job. You're learning fast. Have part 5. Listen again. Full review conversation. Listen to this short conversation about daily routines. David, hey, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 and you? I wake up at 6. Then I make tea. Nice. What do you do after work? I relax and watch a show. Easy, right? Now repeat the whole conversation after us, line by line. Hosts repeat each line slowly, leaving pauses. Recap, community question. All right, friends, great job today. You learned how to talk about your morning routine, your school or work day, your evening habits, how to connect sentences naturally. David, you're doing amazing. Every episode you sound more confident. And here's today's question for you. What time do you wake up? Tell us in the comments. We read every answer. Thanks for learning with us. Stay motivated, both, and keep speaking English. Bye.